Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X5 service light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the trip reset button on your instrument cluster, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds until a service item appears on your display. This initial step is crucial for entering the service menu. Once a service item appears, release the button and then quickly press it again to cycle through the various service options. You will see items like oil service, brake fluid, or vehicle inspection. Continue pressing and releasing until you land on the specific service item you wish to reset. Take your time to ensure you select the correct one before proceeding. With the desired service item displayed, press and hold the trip reset button down once more. The display will then prompt you to confirm the reset. Continue holding until the reset process is complete, which usually takes a few seconds. You will see a confirmation message or a new service interval displayed. Release the button once the reset is confirmed. Finally, turn off your ignition to save the new service interval settings. Then, start your engine to verify that the service light has been successfully reset and is no longer illuminated. If the light persists, you might need to repeat the process or consult your owner's manual. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.